Maabitha a Ruhonge rwa WARMA matongoretio ni Joe Mutambo ni mahithuritie wara wa uria kambuni cia urimi wa mahua itegete maai kuuma iria-ini ria Naivasha.
And they are massively obstructing water without respect of the law.
Wara-ini uyu kambuni ici irahura maai maingi makiria ma uria metikiritio kuuma iria-ini riri.
This lake will die very soon because the rate they are obstructing water with, it will not sustain itself, and the nature of the lake will go, the ecosystem will go, and Kenya stand to lose a lot.
Hamwe na kuiga iria riri ugwati-ini wa kuhua, kambuni ici ikoretwo igithema na kuriha mbeca iria mabatii kuriha kuri WARMA cia marua ma kuhura maai maya.
From one pump we are getting almost 100,000 per month, and they have 8. So basically, quick calculation, we are losing almost 1 million per month from one farm.
Iguru ria uu no makoretwo makirekereria maai mena giko kuri maria maturigiciiirie matekwamba kumathambia ta uria magiriire.
We can discuss and negotiate about acquiring permits, but the issue of polluting is not discussable. We are not going to discuss unless they make systems to treat the water which they are taking back either to lake or to the borehole.
Iria riri ria Naivasha ririgiceirio ni kambuni makiria ma 30 cia mahua iria Mutambo augite wakorwo itikurumirira watho uria muige no gutunyo marua na ihingwo. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.